This is Devin Helming with Asmus Farm Supply running the camera. Today is Tuesday, July 28th, and I want to give you a quick update on our overall corn progress. Many of our fields, as you can see here, I'm going to lift the camera up a little bit, are at the tassel stage and shedding pollen. This is fairly typical of our area. We are behind in heat units. It's been a relatively cool summer for us. And what I want to talk about specifically here is give you a little bit of an update on one thing we're seeing right now, which is an example of a leaf that's been infected with eye spot. You'll notice the brown spot is surrounded by a little yellow halo, and they kind of dot the leaf as you go through. As the disease gets a little bit more severe, those dots will actually coalesce around each other. I'll try and show you another example of a plant that's Here's an example of another leaf. This one happens to be showing much more pressure from the eye spot. Again, as a general rule, this is a disease that you don't see up in our area most of the time, but just with the cooler temps that we've had, we've been seeing it a lot more frequently. It's in many of the fields, and it might be getting to a point where we need to treat in some of the fields. One of the things that we need to look for is the upper part of the canopy. If the leaves above the ear are starting to show pressure of this sort, then a treatment of some kind is certainly As I'm wrapping up, I will finish with a scan of this final leaf here. Just keep in mind that this is treatable. If the pressure is severe enough that you need to consider treatment, best bet is to talk to your local supplier about a potential treatment for your field. And with that, I'm going to sign off. This is Devin Helming with Asmus Farm.